Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Cadillac ATS in neutral with a dead battery. First, locate the shift lever in your center console. You'll need to access a manual override. Make sure the parking brake is set for safety before you begin. This process allows you to move the car even without power, which is helpful for towing or repairs. It's a straightforward procedure once you know where to look. Next, you'll need to remove the small trim piece located near the front of the shift lever. Gently pry it up using a small flathead screwdriver or a similar non-marring tool. Be careful not to scratch the surrounding console. Beneath this piece, you will find the manual shift override tab. It's often a bright color, such as red, making it easy to spot. Now, with the trim piece removed, firmly press and hold down the brake pedal. Insert your tool into the slot next to the override tab. Push the override tab down and hold it in that position. While holding the tab down, move the shift lever from park into the neutral position. You should feel the lever move freely into neutral once the tab is depressed. Once the shift lever is in neutral, you can release the override tab and the brake pedal. Double-check that the car is indeed in neutral by attempting to gently push it, ensuring it rolls freely. Finally, carefully replace the small trim piece back into its original position over the override slot. Your Cadillac ATS is now in neutral and ready to be moved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.